who are the people going, how is it that we're going to choose the 5,000 beneficiaries for the 5,000 containerized units that are coming? Yeah?
Okay.
How is it to be done? We can put that up online, you know.
Yeah, I agree. Totally. So when you say procurement, you're also thinking about the number of contracts that the government will have to award for the rebuilding process itself.
Not only number of contracts, but the scope of those contracts, the deliverables, yeah, and the process for choosing the contract awardees.
Absolutely. I have some good news, though, Cliff, in that regard. At least I consider it good news for those of your listeners who are familiar. Greg Christie back in 2006 had started a practice which I have bragged and boasted about, and I don't get a chance to brag about, what government does a lot. So when I get a chance, I really take it. But Mr. Christie had started his initiative, which the government has embraced, and we've done it for about 15 years, where every contract over 500,000, it started a little smaller, but it got to the point up to 2020 where anything over 500,000, a contract that was being awarded, people's funds, the public funds were being utilized.